Welcome to my channel Karthik's World. Today I was practicing Rubik's Cube and suddenly it was broke. So today in this video I will show you how to assemble a Rubik's Cube. Hope I will assemble it. So let's get started. So first we have to separate all our pieces. These are 6 centers we have to separate. And these are 8 corners we have also separated, and these are 12 edge pieces we have also separated. Now we have to take our 6 centers and choose 2 center pieces. Like I choose white and red. So we have to take 1 edge piece of white and red color. Like this. This is the edge piece of white and red color. So we will insert between white and red centerpiece like this. So our next step is to again choose 2 centers. Like I have choose red and yellow. So we have to take an edge piece of red and yellow. This is an edge piece of red and yellow. Now we have to insert it between red and yellow centerpiece. So we have also inserted it. So the same steps we have to do till our all edge pieces are finished. So this is the centers of yellow and orange. We will take yellow and orange edge piece and insert them. Now this is the center of orange and white. We have to take orange and white edge piece and insert it. So we have inserted our whole middle layer like this. Now we have to insert our edge pieces in the top layer and the bottom layer. So now this is an edge piece. This is a center piece of green and a yellow. So we need an edge piece of green and yellow. We will insert it, but be careful that these pieces should not be broken again. Like this you have to insert. And you have to insert all the edge pieces like this. This is a center of white and red. So we will need white and red edge piece and insert them again like this. Then white and green center piece and white and green edge piece. We will again insert them like this. Now there is a center of white and orange. So we will need white and orange piece. We will again insert it. So we have assembled all the edge pieces of the top layer. Now we have to assemble all the edge pieces of the bottom layer. So we have to hold the cube like this. All the edge pieces we have assembled correctly at the bottom of our cube. And now we have to see what are the centers. This is a blue and an orange center. We will need a blue and an orange edge piece and we will insert it. See, it is inserted. Now there is a blue and yellow center. We will need a blue and a yellow edge piece. Now we have to insert it. It is also inserted. Now there is a blue and a red center. We will insert blue and a red edge piece. It is also inserted. And at last there is a blue and a white center. We will need a blue and a white edge piece and we will insert it also. So all the edge pieces are inserted in the cube correctly. Now we have to assemble our corner pieces. So we have to choose one cross on the face, like there are 6 cross. So I will choose a white cross and put the white cross at the top. And now we will see what are the 3 centers for corners, because the corners have 3 colors. So this is the center of white, red and blue. So we need a white, red and blue corner piece. This is a white, red and blue corner piece. We will insert it. Be careful that the edge pieces again not form. like this we will insert, and we will insert all the corner pieces like this. This is a centerpiece of white, blue and orange, so we will need a white, blue and orange corner piece. This we have also inserted it. Now white, green and orange. So we need a white, green and orange corner piece. We will insert it again. Like this. We have also inserted it. Now there is the last piece of white, red and green. We will also insert it. Like this we have inserted all our corner pieces on the top layer. Now we will rotate our cube and we will insert all the 4 corner pieces on the bottom layer also. So first centers are yellow, blue and red. So we need a yellow, blue and red corner piece. We will insert it. This is also inserted. Now there is a yellow, red and green centerpiece. Means yellow, red and green corner piece, and we will again insert it. It is also inserted. Now only 2 corner pieces are left. So there is a white, green and orange centerpiece. So white, green and orange corner piece, and we will again insert it. And this is also inserted. Now only 1 corner piece is left and we will insert it here. So yes, our cube is assembled successfully. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share my video as more as you can, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so my new videos notification can come first to you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.